Hello students. Now we will be doing the rhyming scheme or the rhyming pattern which comes in the poem. Rhyming scheme and rhyming pattern, they both are the same. Now rhyming scheme is it's very easy. It's nothing different. You might be knowing about rhyming words. Rhyming words आपको पता होंगे. Rhyming words क्या होते हैं? The words which have the same sound. जिनके sound same होते हैं. Like in this poem Dust of Snow, जो आपकी poem है, in this poem this word crow and snow, here see the sound of the last letters OW and OW is the same. Crow, snow, the sound is the same. So ऐसे जिन words के sound same होते हैं, they are the rhyming words. So rhyming pattern या rhyming scheme में भी हमें यही देखना होता है, the last word of each and every line, in what way they are rhyming. और इन lines को हम A, B, C, D नाम देते हैं. If the rhyming is the same, तो A same letter हम name देंगे. We will see like this is the poem Dust of Snow. The first line is the way a crow then shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. So now in this first stanza, the way a crow, अब इस first line को आप नाम दे दो A. Okay, this is A. Or you can write in capital, इसको नाम दे दो A. Then the next line, shook down on me. So now the last words of both these line, यहाँ पे crow है, यहाँ पे है me. Now crow and me are not rhyming, ये rhyme नहीं कर रहे हैं. So if they are not rhyming, उस line को हम दूसरा letter दे देंगे. Like इस second line को हम नाम दे देंगे B, because crow and me are not rhyming. So we'll give it the name B. Now the third line, the dust of snow. Now you can see that crow and snow are rhyming. Now if they are rhyming, तो इस line को जो name आपने दिया है वही name आप इस line को दोगे. Why? Because the sound is same, they are rhyming. So इस third line को भी you will give the name A, because it is rhyming with the first line जिसका नाम A है. Then the fourth line, from a hemlock tree. Now second line में me है और इधर है tree. So now E, the sound is same, me and tree. These are rhyming. So second line का name क्या है? B. तो इसको भी हम नाम क्या देंगे? B. So the rhyming scheme of this stanza will be A, B, A, B. So if the question comes like mention the rhyming scheme of the stanza, so आपको इस तरीके से आंसर में सिर्फ क्या लिखना है? A, B, A, B. The rhyming scheme is A, B, A, B. Now in the same way second stanza, हर एक stanza का हम अलग अलग लेंगे. Like in the second stanza again we will start with A. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. So now again first line को give the name A. Has given my heart a change of mood. Now again heart and mood, they are not rhyming, so different name we will give, that is B. Then third line, and saved some part. Now here heart and part, the last two letters are T, they are rhyming. Heart, part, sound, you have to see the sound of the letters, heart, part, so they both are rhyming. So first line ko we have given the name A, so here also we will give the name A because they are rhyming. And the last line, of a day I had rued. So here mood and rude are rhyming, the same sound is coming, rude and mood. So we will give the same name, that is B. So here also the rhyming pattern of the rhyming scheme of this stanza is A, B, A, B. So answer में आपको ऐसे ही लिखना है A, B, A, B. This is the rhyming scheme. I hope it is clear. In the same way, the next poem which we have along with it is the fire and ice. So here also you will do the same. You have to see the rhyming words, that is the last word of the line. Like here, some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. So now the first line, say, some say the world will end in fire. इसको name दे दो A. Some say in ice. So now fire and ice, they are not rhyming. See, यहाँ पे last letter same है, E and E. But I told you, you have to check the sound. Sound check करना है. Fire and ice, they both are not rhyming because the sound is not same. So here is second line को you will give the name B, right? Second line B. Then the third line, from what I have tasted of desire. Now fire and desire are rhyming. Fire, desire, the sound is same. So fire वाली line को हमने नेम दिया था A, इसको भी हम नेम देंगे A. Then the fourth line, I hold with those who favor fire. So again here देखो, fire is rhyming with the first line. So first line का नाम again था A. So यहाँ पे वापस A आएगा. It is rhyming with the first line. Okay, it's not always compulsory कि alternate lines का sound same होगा. First two lines का same हो, फिर third line का ना हो, फिर fourth का हो, फिर so it can be, the pattern can be anything. It's not always alternate lines. So here fire, desire, fire, these are rhyming and only the second line is different, that is ice. So यहाँ पे हमारा rhyming pattern क्या होगा? A, B, A, A. Right? Here the rhyming pattern will be A, B, A, A. In the same way, in the next stanza, but if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Now first line again newly you will start. For the second stanza you will start newly. But if I had to perish twice, give it the name A. I think I know enough of hate. Now twice and hate, they are not rhyming. The last letter is same but they are not rhyming. ठीक है, sound same नहीं है, so different है, तो इसको different नाम दे दो, that is B. To say that for destruction eyes. Now twice and eyes, they both are rhyming. C, E letter भी same है, sound भी same है, twice, eyes. So first line को हमने name दिया था A, इसको भी हम A दे देंगे because the sound is same, they are rhyming. Then the fourth line is also great. Now hate and great, they both are rhyming. The sound is same, hate, great. You have to speak the words and see the sound. So hate and great is the same, they are rhyming. So hate, the second line का जो name हमने दिया है, that is B. तो इसको भी हम नाम देंगे B because it is rhyming with the second line. And last line, and would suffice. So suffice is rhyming with the first line, that is twice. Twice, eyes, suffice. तो इसको भी we will give the name A. So अब हमारा rhyming pattern क्या हो गया? A, B, A, B, A. So the rhyming pattern of this stanza is A, B, A, B, A. This will be the answer. आपको simply ये pattern answer में लिख देना है. What is the rhyming scheme? या mention the rhyming scheme. So you have to see the rhyming words, उनको name देना है. And जो भी scheme आता है, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, A, B, A, B, A. So I hope you all have understood what is rhyming scheme and how we have to write the rhyming scheme.